So, hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about the first question of the book Concept of Physics by HC Verma. So, going to the questions, it's given a vector A makes an angle 20 degree and vector B makes an angle 110 degree with the x-axis. So, the magnitude of these vectors are 3 meter and 4 meter respectively. So, find the resultant. Coming to the solution, we can split a vector into two parts, ax and ay. Ax can be written as a cos theta and ay can be written as a sin theta. The magnitude of the first vector is given as 3 and the magnitude of the second vector is given as 4. The angle corresponding to the first vector is given as 20 degree while the angle corresponding to the second vector is given as 110 degree. Now we will find the two components of both the vectors. Finding ax, it can be written as a cos theta and putting the values given in the question, we got 2.82. And same wise, we find out ay, which comes out to be 1.02. Similarly, we find bx and by. Bx is minus 1.36 and by comes out 3.76. After finding that two components, we have to find the resultant. How to find the resultant? We have to put the values in Rx. That is the resultant along x-axis. It should be the summation of ax and bx, and it comes to be 1.46. And likewise, same ry equals to ay plus by, which comes out to be 4.78. Now, it's only the resultant from both the horizon, from both the directions, x-axis and y-axis. Now coming to the point, we have to find the magnitude of the resultant. And for this, we have to put this formula where we have to, while finding the magnitude of the resultant, the formula used is root over rx square plus ry square. And we will just put the value to 1.46 whole square and 4.78 whole square. And that's after calculating, we got root over 24.97, which nearly, we can say it's nearly to 25, and root 25 is obviously 5 meter approx. Thank you guys.